Welcome to the homestead. Glad you're watching. Well, today I'm going to get back on this cottage. I still have to mud the lower section of it, and Manny's got a mouse. He didn't start with the mouse, Sheila started with the mouse. And if the picture turned out, you'll see it right here. But Manny is a thief. If you notice, my voice is still a little rough. I still have a sore throat, and that's not going to stop me, though, because I want this cottage done. As soon as it's finished, with all the sheetrocking stuff, we can come in and we can paint the whole thing. And then after we paint, carpet, curtains, and we can fill it up. So anyway, let's get started. Okay, as you can see, there's a bunch of stuff down here. It all has to be moved in order to sheetrock down there. I'm not sure exactly where to move it. Part of me says I should go clean out the storage bin, and if I clean out the storage closet, then we'll have a place to put all the scrap sheetrock and pile up the cardboard. But I don't know. I'm debating on that. In the meantime, I'll just move it. Okay, well, it appears that I don't have anything but to fill in the screws over here. And then I'll move the cardboard that's over here, over there, and that's, I'm sure, where the piecework is. And I'll work on that over there. So, we got 6 cats now wanting that one mouse. He's not eating it. They just throw him around. I feed him too good, I guess. Oops, Peabody's got the mouse. Well, it's a rat and it's big. Peabody's a little guy. Peabody's not messing around. You could hear the bones crush. He's gonna eat it. You know, I see Manny with a lot of mice or rats. He steals them. He doesn't go hunt. He's a stealer. Well, Peabody just swiped that right out from underneath him. That was hilarious. You gotta be fast, and he was fast, but he's gonna have himself some protein dinner. Cats. Anyway, let's work. Lee gets up and down off the ground so much easier than I do. don't usually fly that low here. We're not near an airport. Not at least for a size plane that sounded like it was. Okay, I forgot about the crack along the edge of the wall, the top two. It won't be noticeable to me because I'm short, but it will be noticeable. It's pretty rank where the wood meets the sheetrock. So I'm fixing that before I move the cardboard to the other side. That's done with the upper part, and I'll get more mud and we'll start this lower part, but it's pretty hot in this building, so I'm gonna step outside and let some of the air hit me, and then we'll come back in and we'll do this lower part right here. It's got a few things that need repairing on it before ending, and then the corner of the one right behind. But you know what? I didn't sheetrock underneath on the sides where the electrical boxes are, and I'm kind of thinking that we need to cover the wires there. So I don't want to do it. I want to be finished, but I think it's going to have to be done. And I'll see if I have the wood or the scraps or something to fill in those gaps. Hopefully I will. Okay, some areas are just really hard to clean up. I think we put a bit too much mud on some of this area. Anyway, to get it smooth, I'm having to knock off a lot of the mud. It's working, but this is the first time I've sanded sheetrock, so everything's a first for me right now, and so I'm not sure how much to do, but if it's got a big dip in it, I know that there's quite a bit of mud. So anyway, I gotta change the battery, and then we're gonna get back to sanding this wall. Okay, Lee's home from work. I'm gonna go check and see how his day went. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I so know why they texture walls. This is not easy getting it smooth. And in some places, that's a cat, sorry. And in some places, well, I've gone through to the paper because there was a, hollow spot. And so I was trying to get it flat, and maybe I should have just added more stuff to the hollow spot. I think I might have to fix some of the spots, but that's okay. I'm moving on. Okay, it's getting dark. I spent too much time lazying around when I should have come back. So in the meantime, I lost the sun. So I'm gonna go ahead and sign off because I don't want to strain my eyes trying to see this. We'll pick it up again on another day. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, press the notification bell, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on The Homestead. Bye-bye now.